So this is the final product. Came out really good. I had a lot of stringing from my CR10. That actually worked out really cool when I hit it with the heat gun. It adds like an extra layer of just little vines and like little bark. This is post convention, so we took this to PowerCon and let everybody pick it up and take pictures with it. It was a good stress test. Did do PETG. It was the first print I did of PETG. Through here doing PETG, this middle part be stronger. And unfortunately, I had quite a bit of gaps, which we were able to fill up pretty well with the wood filler. I think I printed too fast. I think I need to slow it down. And I was doing like 20% less speed of what I printed the PLA, but maybe I need to go even slower, give way a little bit. So I don't know if I'm thinking maybe like a resin clear coat or something I could put over this to help it with the rigidity. Probably be able to put some more resin glue in there. It's still a pretty big gap now. But yeah, we'll glue it up. It'll be fine. One thing about this this silk PLA, I really like it because it's like no paint. It looks great, just kind of printed, very few layer lines. But it is brittle and it can break and chip like that. And it doesn't really matter the brand. Polymaker, which is what I've been using lately. But I've also used Hatchbox for the Reptar that I did, the silk Reptar. It's got a hole in its head because it's just a bit brittle when you're working with it. So you gotta be careful. Let me know. Let me know if you have a suggestion for what kind of settings can help us make it a little more durable. I'm gonna be posting more projects like this. Subscribe. This stops here now.